Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to change your ringtone. Now, this isn't very hard you don't have to go onto the internet and download some sort of app. You can just go into the Play Store. I'm sure it's in the iTunes Store, but it's called Zedge. I'll try to leave a link for the Play Store. So basically, you scroll through, find one that you want. So here's one. So you'll just go into that. I've already downloaded it, but I'll go to one that I haven't. And you click download, this button right here. So, and then it will say item downloaded, then you click ringtone. So, enjoy.